guys, Cindy out here with my Artsy Endeavours today. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I got this little guy here. I thought he was cute. I gotta tell you about him. We went into a Tractor Supply a few weeks ago and there was little chicks in there. I was like, oh, I want a little chick. Well, when I got out in the truck, my husband handed me my little chick. And that's what they sound like. They're so cute. Anyways, that's not why we're here today. He sits here on my desk so I can hang out with him. Today I'm going to play around in the Ledger Journal from Dina Wakley. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I really haven't decided. So, what are we going to do? Let's just get out some inks. Maybe we'll do that. Let's get out some paints maybe. A paintbrush. I got a paintbrush right here. Let's see. Let me grab some inks. Oh, I got some golden flow right here. Hold on a second. Let's pull this down. What do we got? We got some red. Red. Let's see if it works. Yep, it does. I don't know what we're doing, okay? Just so you know, I have no clue what we're going to do. Let's throw on some of this blue. Actually, maybe I should shake it first. I don't know. These have been here for so long. Very, very rarely use them. Ooh. Alright, so we threw down some blue and let's put some of this green gold on there. How's that sound? Oh, yep, it works. Like I said, these have been here forever. Actually, I was talking to my husband this morning. I have a set of Faber-Castell markers. And back when I started this art journey, the actual mixed media portion of it, I bought this set of Faber-Castells. And we figured it out today. These are over 14 years old and they still work. Isn't that crazy? How crazy is that? Anyways, let's take this. Let's spray some water on here and see what we can do. Well, I don't know. We're just going to play today. You know, we may end up with something cool. We may end up with something that looks horrible. Who knows? But let's just play around and see where this goes. Whoops! I almost got it on my pants. Oh, I did get it on my pants. Oh, well. Sweatpants. No problem. No problem. So yeah, let's just play around in this and see what happens, and we will go from there. How's that sound? I hope you guys enjoy watching me play. And again, that's exactly what I'm doing. If you're new to mixed media, please don't let all these beautiful, gorgeous pages dissuade you, because, you know, some people have been doing it a lot longer. Some people have more of an artistic, I don't know what you want to call it, ability. I don't claim to be, I'm definitely not a fine artist at all. I'm a person who loves to play, and I usually do it intuitively. I don't normally look for certain, what am I looking for? I don't normally look for a certain outcome. I just play, and whatever ends up being, and this is really weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this, and then we're going to get some gesso out, because I don't really like all this on here. Actually, maybe we'll just put some gesso on it now. How's that sound? Let's take a bigger brush, a little bit bigger, and I'm going to throw some gesso down over here. I might as well put it right on this page I got sitting here. It's a dictionary page. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And let's play around with it. Why not? Anyways, what I was saying is, you know, don't let some of these people dissuade you into creating. Creating is about whatever you want to put down on the page. If you want it to look messy, like it is here, you make it messy. If you want it to look different, you know, you take your time and you practice and you learn to make it different. I'm right now just exploring, I think is the word I want to use. I'm just taking stuff, putting it down, seeing what happens. You know, do I have a lot of Do I have any education in this? No, absolutely not. I don't have any education doing this stuff. I just do whatever makes me happy. I started my mixed media journal. If you're new here, I started my mixed media journal due to chronic pain. I was hurt at work in an accident, and it left me with permanent damage, which, you know, it is what it is, and I'm learning to live with it, or I've learned to live with it, because, you know, I don't let it bother me so much anymore. Can't say that either, because it's still painful. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I should just shut up and just create. How's that sound? But anyways, yeah, I'm just making a mess. And you never know. We don't know where this is going to go. We don't know if it's going to end up turning out to be a really cool page or if it's just going to stay a mess. But you know what? Time will tell. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on a movie, and I'm going to just play through this process, and we'll see what happens. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, so, you know, I've been thinking and thinking, do I want to do something around the black edge? And honestly, I kind of like it the way it is. And actually, for that mess that we started out with, I don't think it turned out into too bad of a page. Basically, you are enough. Don't worry about my handwriting. I have a lot of fun with it. I really don't care. This gal I got off Etsy, and I really should start marking down where I get these from, and honestly I don't remember. I just know that it was a digital download off Etsy. I have tons of them, so your guess is as good as mine. I do apologize if the owner of this is watching the video. Please, you know, put your name in the comments. You know, I would love to promote you, but again, I can't remember. So, and I don't write it down, and that's bad of me. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you are enough. Don't forget that. Even if you are living with chronic pain and, you know, you have a really kind of a tough time every day, you are enough. So, take care. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything you'd like to see me do, just throw it in the comments and let's see what we can do. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.